Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Walmart baby gate. First, carefully unpack all the components from the box and lay them out. Take a moment to identify each part, such as the main gate, extension pieces, and mounting hardware. It's crucial to read the instruction manual thoroughly before you begin, as different models may have slightly varied installation steps. Finally, select the ideal location for your gate, ensuring it can be securely installed in a doorway or at the top or bottom of stairs. Once you've identified all the parts, measure the width of your doorway or stairwell. Most gates fit openings between 28 and 42 inches, but extensions can expand this range. Assemble the main gate frame, attaching any required extension pieces firmly. Carefully position the gate within the opening. If it's a pressure-mounted gate, tighten the adjustment knobs until it's snug and secure. For hardware-mounted gates, follow the instructions to drill pilot holes and attach the mounting cups or brackets to the wall. After installation, it's vital to test the gate's stability. Give it a firm push and pull to ensure it doesn't wobble or shift. Familiarize yourself with the locking mechanism. Many gates feature a dual-action lock, requiring you to press a button and lift the handle simultaneously for added safety. Practice opening and closing the gate several times to get comfortable with its operation. Remember to check all connections and hardware regularly, perhaps once every 2 weeks, to ensure everything remains securely tightened. To keep your baby gate in excellent condition, clean it regularly with a mild soap and water solution, avoiding harsh chemicals that could damage the finish. It's crucial to remember that baby gates are safety devices, not playthings. Never climb over the gate, and instruct older children not to hang or swing on it, as this can compromise its stability. If you notice any damaged or worn parts, such as a broken latch or a cracked frame, replace them immediately to ensure the gate continues to provide maximum safety for your little one.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.